I thought I would read out my poem today. It's not something I do usually, but I thought it might be a good idea. And let me know if you like it, and if you hate it, well, that's that. Hold on, I just find it and I'll read it to you. Here it is. It's called A Drop of Water That Stops in Mid-Air. Like a drop of water that stops mid-air, reality will dawn, like a voice from everywhere, inside, outside. Spirit will answer our deepest calling. What is needed will be, eventually. End of time, 0 point, now. Where are your loving intentions? Where did you hide behind fear? Love, love, love so deep throughout the dark night, hidden in this world so grey and cold. A heart so broken it could hardly beat, a love so unmistaken it would always live. Where are we now, my sweet one, buried behind all of those scars and pain? A true light unknown. Love, love, true love of mine, do you remember? Heartbeat by heartbeat waking. The mist have too long covered our glow. The lights have been so busy throughout this winter, winter of true love falling, winter of forgetfulness. You are still the same. My heart remembers every glow, every smile, every flame you ever shone, every you, heart of mine. Tell me, sweet one, tell me gently without words, do you truly remember? Do you feel this heart? Tell me, sweet one, my heart to touch gently through the fear. Shine that light throughout the world, shine that light of love. The river will calm you, the sea embrace you, the heavens will open, singing your song, singing out your love. There are so many faces, oh sweet you, so many faces and names, so much confusion, empty eyes and crying hearts, so deep the pain within our core, so essential is our call, longing just for truth to dawn, for a brighter day. Love we were and love we are, see it in our eyes. Love will be, will always be, now to be reborn. There's a glimpse we try to catch with our broken hearts. There's a dream we dare to touch even through the night. There's a song that waits for us to sing. There's a dance that lives in us, living out real love. You are love and you are loved, dancing through the rain. Eternal truth will dawn through you, singing from your heart, love. Well, that's about that, and I hope you liked it, and if you do, that's fine, and if you don't, you'll probably find something else that you like. But lots of love to you, and a big hug. I'll just find the video screen and stop this.